Friends, welcome to Abhivyakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode of Numerical Ability, part 4 of Ratio and Proportion, we are going to see few more problems. And here is the first question on the screen, that a man invests his money in 3 different schemes at 10%, 12% and 15% for 6 years, 10 years and 12 years. After completion of maturity dates of each scheme, he receives equal interest. Find the ratio of his investment in 3 schemes. A man invests the amount he has in 3 different schemes at 10%, 12% and 15%. So these are the rates for the time 6 years, 10 years and 12 years. And after the maturity he receives the interest, and these all interest whatever he receives are equal. And we have to find the ratio of their investment. So let us consider that P1, P2 and P3 are the investments in 3 different schemes. Therefore, interest in the first case will be equal to P1 into R into T upon 100. So which is equal to P1 into R, that is 10%, into time is 6 divided by 100. Now if you take 100 to other sides and 10 by 6 to other side, it will be 100 into I1 upon 60, that is equal to P1. So P1 is equal to 100 into I1 by 60. Similarly, we can calculate P2, that is equal to 100 I1, because interest is same in all the 3 cases, upon 12 into 10, that is 120, and P3, that will be equal to 100 into I1 upon 15 into 12, and that is equal to 180. So if you take the ratio of P1, P2, P3, 100 into I1, 100 into I1 and 100 into I1 will get cancelled, and you will get 1 by 60 is to 1 by 20, 120 is to 1 by 180. So this is nothing but 1 by 1 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3, and this is nothing but 6 will be the LCM, so it will be 6 is to 3 is to 2. So the ratio of P1 to P2 to P3, that is their investment, is 6 is to 3 is to 2. The next question is rupees 53 is divided among A, B and C in such a way that A gets rupees 7 more than B and B gets rupees 8 more than C. Find the ratio of their shares. Let C gets rupees X, therefore by the condition B will get 8 rupees more than C, that is x plus 8, and A gets 7 rupees more than B, therefore it will be x plus 8 plus 7, so that is equal to x plus 15. So C's share is x, B's share is x plus 8 and A's share is x plus 15, and this total share should be equal to 53 rupees, and therefore the share of A plus share of B plus share of C, that is x plus 8 plus x plus 15, that will be equal to 53. So here x and x, that will be 3x plus 15 plus 8, that is 23, that is equal to 53. So take 23 to other side, so that will be minus 23, so 3x is equal to 30, and therefore x is equal to 10. Since x is equal to 10, x is share of C, therefore C's share is equal to rupees 10. B gets 8 rupees more, so it will be 10 plus 8, that is 18, and A gets 7 rupees more than B, so 18 plus 7, that is equal to 25. So A's share is 25, B's share is rupees 18, and C's share is rupees 10. In a party, ratio between men and women is 1:2. If 2 men and 2 women left the party, the ratio becomes 1:3. Find the number of people in the party. Now here the ratio is men to women is 1:2. Therefore let the number of male, that is equal to x, and the number of women, that is equal to 2x. Now 2 men left and 2 women left, so the new attendance will be x minus 2 men, and women will be 2x minus 2. Now this ratio is given as 1:3, so it will be x minus 2 upon 2x minus 2 is equal to 1/3. Cross multiply to find the value of x. So multiply by 3 to the numerator, so it will be 3x minus 6 is equal to 2x minus 2. So if you take 2x to this side, that will be minus 2x, so 3x minus 2x will be equal to x, and if you take minus 6 to this side, it will become plus 6, so minus 2 plus 6, that will be 4. So x is equal to 4. So number of men, that is 4, and the number of women, that is 8, and therefore together 8 and 4, that will be 12. So there are 12 people in the party. The next question is rupees 3,400 is divided among A, B, C and D in such a way that the shares of A and B, B and C, C and D are in the ratio 2:3, 4:3 and 2:3 respectively. Find the sum of B and D's share. We have to find the sum of B and D's share. Now here rupees 3,400 is divided among A, B, C and D, and the ratio of A is to B is equal to 2:3. ratio of B is to C, that is equal to 4 is to 3, and ratio of C is to D is equal to 2 is to 3. And now from this information we write like this purposely. I will show you how to multiply this to find the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. That will be equal to, first we multiply all these three numbers. 2 4s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Then we multiply these numbers 3, 4 and 2. So it will be 3 4s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. So is to 24 is to, then we multiply these 3 2 into 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. So it will be 18 is to, then we multiply these 3 and 3 last numbers, that will be 27. So it is to 27. So the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D is 16 is to 24 is to 18 is to 27, and these totals equal to 85. So we have to make 85 equal parts of 3400, and out of that 16 parts will be of A, 24 parts will be of B, 18 parts will be of C, and 27 parts will be of D. But we require only the B and D's share. So B is 24 and D is 27. So here B's share will be equal to 3400 divided by 85 multiplied by B's share is 24, so multiplied by 24. If you solve this, you get this as 40. So 40 into 24, that is equal to 960. Now we have to find D's share. So D's share will be equal to, now this 85 equal parts we have already got, that is 40. So it will be 40 multiplied by how many times? It should be 27 times. So it will be 27, and that is equal to 1080. So this will be 1080. So B's share is 960. D's share is 1080, and therefore their sum 1080 plus 960, that will be equal to 0. 8 and 6 14, carry on 1, 9 and 1 10, carry on 1 2. So it will be rupees 2040. So the sum of B and D share is equal to rupees 2040. Instead of doing this, you can do it in different way also, that you have to find the sum of B and D share, then that can be calculated as 3400 its equal part divided by 85 multiplied by B's share plus D's share, that is 24 plus 27. So 24 plus 27, and this will be 40, that you will get the same answer, that is 2040. So the sum of the B and D share is rupees 2040. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so that you will get updates right into your mailbox. For any other reason, if you dislike it, then please share your views through comments so that we will try to improve, because there is always a room for improvement. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.